Hello everyone, how are you doing? Check, check, can you hear me? How are you doing? African Blondie coming at you from Johannesburg, South Africa, under lockdown. Today we're going to do some salutes. So, salute. What you do to one side, you do to the other side. Salute to the gods and goddesses with crescent moon lunge. Crescent moon lunge, take a big step on the right, transfer your weight. Ooh, big lunge. Front foot flat on the floor, knee going over your toes, back foot, heel up in the air. Make sure you got space between your feet, supporting your body. Lift your chest up, lift your chin up, suck your stomach in. Take your arms over your head, lift your hands, reach up, touch the ceiling. Draw the arms back with your ears. All the way back, go back, more back, way back. Inhale, come up carefully. Kneel down. Back knee down. Inhale. Stretch forward, go touch the wall. Tuck your chin in, look at your stomach, go touch your forehead on the knee. Try keep your front heel down, back foot flat. Press your knee and your foot into the ground. Round your spine up to the ceiling, touching forehead on the knee. Inhale. Arms and head together, you come out. Spine straight. Inhale, stretch up. Go back. Bend back. Way back. More back. Go back. Inhale, come up. Woo. Stand up, most economical turn in the whole biokinetics turn. Back heel up. Inhale, sit down. Get your hips nice and square. Feet apart over the line. Inhale, stretch up. Go back. Try not to breathe too heavily. Inhale, back knee down, back foot flat. Inhale, stretch forward, forehead on the knee, eyes open, breathing normally. Relax your tongue in your jaw, relax your throat. Touch your forehead on the knee. Can't reach, put your hands down on the floor. Inhale. Come up, center, inhale, stretch your hands up, look at your hands, and arms and head together, go back, bend back, way back, more back, bend back. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale, coming up, careful of the hips and the inner thighs of the legs. You're on the balance between contracting and stretching all the time. Inhale. Woo. Salute to the gods and goddesses with crescent moon lunge. Namaste. Practice every day. Namaste.